are from Group 2 from class 12-5. I am Tasha Runisa Ferdinand.
I am Abigail Dipurnani.
I am Farala Jayanta.
And today we're gonna make a video podcast about
High School Culture Shock.
Happy watching!
Hey everyone, welcome back to this Talk podcast. And today we are going to talk about high school culture shock. Before we start, let me explain it super quick. Culture shock is basically the feeling of being surprised or overwhelmed when you enter a new environment. And honestly, moving from junior high to high school is exactly like that. New rules, new workload, new people, everything feels different at once. And I'm Adwa. I'm 12 brother, and I'm not alone. I've got some amazing guests with Tasha and Farel. Hi guys.
Hi everyone! I am Tasha Runisa Ferdinand and I am a 12th grader too. And before, I am a part of Student Council.
Hi everyone, my name is Farala Jayanta. I'm 12th grader too, and before I'll be student council too, like Tasha.
How are you guys?
I'm good. Just tired. Like I said before, school stuff never ends.
Same here. Like this is a long week.
I feel you both. That actually a perfect start for today's topic. You know, moving from junior high to high school sounds exciting. But when you are exactly in it, things is different, right?
Yes, totally. I mean, I thought high school would be just like junior high school, but a little bit cooler. It turns out it's way more complicated than I imagined.
Same here. Like remember how in junior high we could chill a bit after class? Now it feels like there's always something to do. Assignment, project, group work, and the tasks are not just a lot. They're harder.
Exactly. I was so shocked by how many texts we got in just the first month. And teacher really expect us to manage our time by ourselves.
Yeah, no one's going to remind you all the time. You really have to be organized, or you'll fall behind easily.
And the topics are deeper too, like the lessons suddenly feel more real, more detailed, more demanding. It's like you need to understand, not just memorize.
Right, and when I saw how good other students were, I felt this pressure, like, whoa, everyone's so smart and talented.
Yes, I felt that too. It's not just about grades anymore. Suddenly, you realize everyone has their own talent. Like some people are amazing at math, some are amazing at sport, at art, or even public speaking. It made me feel a bit insecure before.
Me too, honestly. Like, I remember during the first week, I saw people doing so many things like joining clubs, performing, leading class activities, and I was like, how do they manage all that?
Yeah, and it's not even that they are showing off, it's just they're really good at what they do.
Exactly, but after a while, I learned to see it differently. Like, instead of comparing myself, I start to feel inspired. It's nice being surrounded by people who motivated you to grow.
True, it's kind of the good side of the pressure. You feel challenged, but in a way that push you to be better.
That's really good point. So, if we talk about culture shock, we've mentioned the workload and the competition. What about the rules or environment? Did you guys notice a difference?
Big difference. High school is way more disciplined. Like, if you're late even a few minutes, there's already a consequence. You cannot just walk away and say sorry.
Yeah, and don't forget about the uniform rules. Shoes, socks, name tags, everything has to be perfect.
It's kind of stressful sometimes, but I get why it's important. It trains us to be more responsible.
Exactly. At first, I was annoyed by the strict rules. But then, I realized it helps build a good habits. You learn how to manage yourself better.
Yeah, it's like preparing us for a life after school, like college or even work. You can just do things carelessly anymore.
Right, and another thing I noticed is how fast the school-based movies. Like, if you don't pay attention even for 1 week, suddenly the class is already 3 chapters ahead.
Oh my gosh, yes. You miss one topic and then everything after that feels so confusing. That's why I started making study notes regularly just to keep up.
I tried that too, but sometimes it's still overwhelming, especially when there are exam back to back.
I think that's part of the adjustment. At first, it felt too much, but after a few months, you kind of learn how to survive, right?
Yeah, you learn how to balance things like school, friends, maybe extracurricular. It's all about finding what works for you.
And also learning not to panic because everyone's struggling in their way, even the ones who seems confident.
That's so true. Sometimes we only see the outside, the achievement, but we don't see how hard people are working behind the scenes.
Exactly. That's what high school taught me. Everyone's learning, everyone's trying, and it's okay not to be perfect.
Yeah, I think that's part of growing up. You realize life not always easy, but you still keep going.
Real side. So before we work, let's each give one page of advice for students who are about to enter high school.
Okay, mine would be don't be scared of change. It's okay to be feel shocked or lost at first. Take your time and don't be afraid to ask for help.
Mine is don't compare yourself too much. Focus on your own progress. Everyone has their own strengths, so appreciate yours.
Those agreed. And from me, enjoy the ride. High school might be hard, but it's also full of moments you'll never forget.
Totally agree.
Yeah, it's stressful, but also fun if you look at it the right way.
Alright, thank you so much Tasha and Farel for joining today's talk. And thank you listener for tuning in. If you are a new high schooler, remember, culture shock is just the beginning. You'll get through it and you'll grow stronger because of it. That's all for today's episode Teen Talk podcast. See you next time everyone.
Bye. And
It's all from us. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.
hi everyone. Guys, apa everyone? Tuh, everyone ya. Ya, 1, 2, 3. Hi everyone. We are from group 2. I am Tasha.